For us, it's never been about just flipping a letter. It's been about flipping the narrative.
So I was just scrolling through the timeline just one day, and I just saw this video on our timeline, and I was just like, what is happening?
We started whispering around, talking in the corridors, and then we were like, did you see the M has switched to a W?
The feeling was more of excitement.
I really had to go and say, where did it all come from?
The shift every August from Momentum to Womentum is really about the bigger movement.
Flipping the M at Momentum. It's a story that started with us as the marketing team seeking to have an idea that would stand out and come up with ideas that would stand out and be bold, brave, and maverick. And I got a pack of ideas from the team at the time. I flip, idea one that could work. I flip, this idea is in front of me. I was like, oh, wait a minute, could we? Few amount of people knew when, and we decided we'd do this the day before Women's Day at night. Employees would leave the building with our logo the correct way and come back the next day to a surprise.
The need to find a cherry picker overnight to come and actually do the actual flipping of the M. It was something that was done a little bit in secret.
We did this, and this morning of the M being flipped on social, I walked past a few colleagues in the office, and the one guy was like, I think we've been hacked. Our social media accounts have been hacked. I'm like, what are you talking about? And completely pretended to not know what's going on. And the next day, the M was flipped and everybody was talking about it. And we were Womentum. The beauty in that is that the meaning of Womentum was understood by all employees in our organization. It is such a simple yet powerful idea.
That kind of innovation is very rare in this world.
We in society, we build monuments for our heroes. Flipping the M is just a celebration.
We are embracing the future of tomorrow, us as women, taking ownership and taking power.
The sacrifices that they make in their families, the hard workers they are in the workplace, and the leaders that they are in our society.
For me to see the M flipped and understanding that we changed Momentum to Womentum, it made me realize that I've got so much in me.
So for us, it's just to say that this brand belongs to and fits the period of celebrating everything that women are. It is one simple yet so powerful way for the entire organization to participate in heroing the power of the W and the power, therefore, of a symbol of what it means to be a woman.
For Momentum to say that, listen, at this point in time, we are going to be bold in our actions and change our name, then you be bold and own your success and show up in your best way.
And with that, we didn't just create Womentum. We created a movement.